Convert integer to string Jinja. I have an integer. In %if% statement I have to compare it with some string. I can't set key to string at the beginning because I have to decrement it in loop. How can I convert it?
I found the answer. Cast integer to string. Cast string to integer.
The op needed to cast a string outside the %set ... But if that not your case, you can do. Note that you need the parenthesis on that Jinja filter. If you're concatenating two variables, you can also use the custom operator.
Formatting some int as a string can be achieved through this syntax come from Ansible, that also uses Python and Jinja. Behind the scene.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.